5 creative ways to build better focus. Building better focus cannot be found in a step-by-step guide. It's a process, one that's filled with starts, stops, leveling up, and many missteps along the way. In fact, improving your focus might just be one of the most challenging things you can try to do in the 21st century. We have limitless distractions, stress from home and work, and information flying at us 24/7. Below you'll find a list of creative ways to work on improving your focus, but what you must remember throughout all the steps is to take inventory consistently. Notice your mental state, what's distracting you, and why it's distracting you. Taking the time to stop and take stock will give you feedback on what is and isn't working for you, as well as how you're improving along the way. 1. Consider your attention. Throughout the day, stop and consider how much attention you're paying to the task at hand. Are you fully focused? Or are you only half working on a project while the other half of your brain thinks about lunch? 2. Consider your mood. Consider your mood throughout the day and why it may be that way. This should be paired with your attention to what you're doing. Are you anxious while you only half think about the project? Are you annoyed and typing an email? 3. Write down your distractions and look at them. Every time you catch yourself being pulled away from the task at hand, write down the distraction and what you were doing, then get back to work. At the end of the day, look back on what distracted you and when. You may be able to pinpoint weak points in your day and find ways to remedy those distractions. 4. Stop and breathe. Ever feel like you're being pulled in 10 different directions? Are the distractions flooding at you becoming overwhelming? Stop and breathe. Clear your mind for a few moments, write it down, and make a plan. While you may not be able to solve all the problems, at least you can do your best to work through each one with a clear mind. 5. Visualize. You can use visualization at any time to clear your mind and focus on one thing. This will allow you to push away distractions and build your mind's ability to concentrate for a lengthened time. You can visualize colors, images, anything that you focus your mind on. Building better focus is not a race. It's a journey that takes time and patience. Consider incorporating creative focus-building exercises into your daily routine.